Learn Hindi feelings. Burden to confidence with.
बोझ,
And.
आत्मविश्वास.
Welcome to the emotional backpack. Hey, you're about to learn Hindi with a story full of feelings, drama, and one backpack that probably needs therapy. Let us begin with a smile and a deep breath. This morning, you meet Sam, a student whose backpack is so full it deserves its own postal code. He lifts it and groans, "This is not a bag. This is a life decision." In Hindi, a burden is.
बोझ,
Sam says, the bag felt like a.
बोझ.
Then he checks his schedule, sees 12 tasks, 4 deadlines, and one mysterious email titled, Quick Update. Suddenly, this is not just stress. This is overwhelm.
अतिभार,
He whispers, too much work creates.
अतिभार.
Very poetic. Also very unfortunate. Your learning goal today. Today you will learn a cluster of emotional Hindi words that sound smart, useful, and slightly dramatic in the best way. You will hear them in context, repeat them, and remember them with humor. Burden equals.
बोझ,
Relief equals.
राहत.
Overwhelm equals.
अतिभार,
Fatigue equals.
थकान.
Tension equals.
तनाव,
Disappointment equals.
निराशा.
Confidence equals.
आत्मविश्वास.
Scene 1. Too much everything. Listen closely and picture the scene. The funnier you imagine it, the easier the words stick. Sam reaches class, drops the giant backpack, and says, "I carried this."
बोझ,
Across campus, his friend Mira looks at his face and says, "You also look full of."
तनाव,
Tension in Hindi is.
तनाव.
It can be in your shoulders, in a room, or in the dramatic silence before exam results. Sam nods. Yes, and now I have.
अतिभार,
2. That is overwhelm, the feeling of too much happening at once. Then he sits down and says, "Also, I barely slept, so I have."
थकान,
Fatigue is.
थकान.
So in 1 minute, Sam has a burden, tension, overwhelm, and fatigue. Honestly, he deserves free snacks. Mini memory tricks. Now let us glue these words into your memory with silly images. Your brain loves weird pictures more than boring lists. Imagine.
बोझ,
As a giant sack on your back labeled, "All my responsibilities" and also 3 watermelons. Imagine.
तनाव,
As a rope pulled so tight it starts judging everybody. Imagine.
अतिभार.
As 50 browser tabs opening at once while your soul quietly leaves the room. Imagine.
थकान,
As your legs turning into sleepy noodles. Scene 2. The exam ends. Good news. Not all emotional vocabulary is miserable. Some words feel like cool rain after hot chaos. The exam ends. For 5 full seconds, nobody moves. Then the whole room exhales together like a choir of tired balloons. Mira smiles and says, "Finally."
राहत,
Relief in Hindi is.
राहत.
Sam puts a hand on his chest and says, "After the exam, I feel."
राहत,
The word has that lovely feeling of pressure leaving. Mountain off shoulders. Alarm off. Wallet found in pocket. Cat no longer sitting on your homework. That is.
राहत.
Plot twist. The results. And now, because every good learning story needs drama, the results arrive. Please imagine thunder, even if it is sunny. Sam opens the message. He blinks. He squints. He opens it again as if the grade might improve out of politeness. It does not. He says, "Oh no. This is."
निराशा,
Disappointment is.
निराशा,
His face shows.
निराशा.
His lunch sandwich also seems disappointed. Mira says, "Yes, but one result is not your whole story." Very wise. Also a little suspiciously perfect. Still, it helps. From disappointment to confidence. Here comes the comeback moment. Language learning loves a hero, and today that hero is you, plus maybe Sam. Mira tells Sam, practice builds.
आत्मविश्वास,
Confidence in Hindi is.
आत्मविश्वास.
Sam stands a little taller. He says, tomorrow I will study with.
आत्मविश्वास.
Single quote. Notice the emotional journey. First.
बोझ.
Then.
तनाव.
Then.
अतिभार.
Then.
थकान.
Later.
राहत.
Then.
निराशा.
And finally.
आत्मविश्वास.
That is basically one normal Tuesday. Quick dialogue drill. Repeat these short lines after me if you want. Short dialogue practice is great for audiobook learning. A. Why are you walking so slowly? B. This bag is a.
बोझ.
A. Why is everyone so quiet? B. There is.
तनाव.
In the room. A. I have too many tasks. B. That sounds like.
अतिभार.
A. Why are you resting? B. I have.
थकान.
A. The exam is over. B. What a.
राहत.
A. Did the plan fail? B. Yes, there is some.
निराशा.
A. Are you ready for the interview? B. Yes, with.
आत्मविश्वास.
Tiny quiz, big drama. Time for a quick quiz. No pressure. Actually, a little pressure. But the fun kind. What is the Hindi word for burden?
बोझ.
What is the Hindi word for relief?
राहत.
What is the Hindi word for overwhelm?
अतिभार.
What is the Hindi word for fatigue?
थकान.
What is the Hindi word for tension?
तनाव.
What is the Hindi word for disappointment?
निराशा.
What is the Hindi word for confidence?
आत्मविश्वास.
Your challenge. Now it is your turn. You do not need perfection. You just need one brave sentence at a time. Say, this responsibility is a.
बोझ.
Single quote. Say, after the problem ended, I felt.
राहत.
Single quote. Say, too many choices create.
अतिभार.
Single quote. Say, after work, I have.
थकान.
Single quote. Say, before the announcement, there was.
तनाव.
Single quote. Say, the cancellation caused.
निराशा.
Single quote. Say, practice gives me.
आत्मविश्वास.
Single quote. Friendly conclusion. You made it through the emotional backpack, the exam storm, and the comeback speech. That deserves at least imaginary applause. Today you learned.
बोझ.
For burden.
राहत.
For relief.
अतिभार.
For overwhelm.
थकान.
For fatigue.
तनाव.
For tension.
निराशा.
For disappointment and.
आत्मविश्वास.
For confidence. Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing, repeat the words out loud, and trust that every small step builds real.
आत्मविश्वास.